Hi everyone, this is Your Journey channel. So from the previous video, I have shown you how to install the compost bin onto the ground. And today I'm going to show you how to take it out from the ground. I just realized that only a week I produced a lot of waste.
Each bin is full within 1 week. You just grab the bin and pull it up vertically. You should have taken the bin out before it's full like this.
เหม็นมากแน่น
Do you see worms? They will digest all the food, but we have to cover it well with the soil, otherwise it's gonna be very annoying. These are bean sprouts I tried to grow, but it was unsuccessful. We should have broken the eggshells into small pieces. If you have larger planting area, you can install more bins, and it depends on how often you cook and how many family members you have. I recommend you to wear the boots or the proper shoes, otherwise not only your feet will get dirty with the soil and the waste, but ants and other small animals can climb onto your feet.
แม่เข้ามาแม่เข้ามา
When you finish covering it, you can use the old bin to install to the new place. If you install near the tree, the soil around will be enriched and it's very great for the tree. Now my food waste will go to the garbage truck again because I don't have space in the garden anymore. That's too bad.
I hope you like this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.